Growing up in Bacolod, these were the desserts that made family gatherings special. Angel cake, potato cake, half moon, easy Napoleones, at ang sarili kong version of Pinoy spaghetti. These are the flavors that take me back home, and I want to share them with you. Ilonggo classics sila, mga paborito natin na talagang nagpapalakas ng samahan ng pamilya, whether you're here or abroad. These desserts bring back memories of home, of love, and warmth. And yes, alam nyo, perfect din silang pambenta. So, join me and let's recreate these desserts that shaped my childhood and bring them to your own family. Dito lang yan sa the Bailiwick Academy.